Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Whip-Around app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Whip-Around is a fleet maintenance and inspection app built to help companies manage vehicle safety, compliance, and performance. Drivers can complete daily inspections digitally, while fleet managers can schedule maintenance, track defect resolution, and generate compliance reports, all from the same platform. It's especially popular in industries where vehicle uptime and DOT compliance are critical. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is clean, user-friendly, and simplifies the inspection process with customizable forms and instant report submission. Users appreciate how quickly they can identify vehicle issues and assign them for repair. Real-time syncing between driver and admin dashboards is a major plus, especially for teams with large fleets. However, some users note that offline functionality could be improved, as inspections done without internet sometimes face syncing issues. A few also mention limited integrations with certain third-party systems unless you're on higher pricing tiers. But overall, the app receives high praise for reducing paperwork and streamlining fleet workflows. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Whip-Around is a solid choice for businesses looking to digitize vehicle inspections and stay on top of fleet maintenance. It's efficient, easy to deploy, and makes compliance simpler. But make sure to test offline performance if that's critical to your operations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.